Morning, guys. We're going to be taking this door panel off, removing the window motor, replacing it. I already replaced the switch panel and the window's still acting a little finicky. I got the kit from Amazon. It was only $44, which was awesome, so we'll see how good it is. So we're going to start by pulling off this panel and then rolling that window down a little bit to get those bolts out. So first you're going to pop this out. And then this screw is a 220. I'm going to pull that out. And then we're going to pop off this cover that will be able to unhook these power window switches. It just needs a small flathead, get under there, slide it down to pop it off the clips. Like so. Like that. And then fold it out. And then there's our two connectors on the back. Just going to push in. Up on that one, and the other one's right here, just like so. Then we're going to pop off this panel, just like so. Just has these three that pop in there. So now we're going to take this tool, start popping the panel off. We just start at the bottom. Try to be gentle. There is a little slit down here that you can get under. Work your way around. These off. So we're going to pop this middle bracket off. It's just two 10mm bolts. We're going to peel off this after. Just don't try to rip this. It's a little sticky. So this is the new window motor. It's by everydayautoparts.com. You can see it's pretty. Came in a nice box. This is what it looks like. Motor and everything looks identical to the other one. It already came pre-greased on the back also. So what we're going to do is hook this back up, start the vehicle, roll the window down a little bit till we see the bolts for that window, and then take those out after. We're going to hook this back up. start the vehicle. And bring the window down. So you can see the bolts through here. And the bolt over here. Alrighty. Got the window in place. Now we're gonna put some kind of suction to hold the window in place. I don't really have anything, so I'm just gonna use this like window thing I use for my daughter. We're just gonna place it on the window so it doesn't move. There we go. That shouldn't go anywhere. So now with a 10mm deep socket, we're gonna pop off these two bolts that secure the window motor rod to the window. Unhook this connector to the motor. Let's push down on this tab. Pull it back. Now we're going to take out 2, 4, 5, possibly 6, 7 screws. We got the window supported, and it's going to be a 10 mil. We're going to take those off, and as you're taking it off, obviously it's going to start coming apart, so just make sure you don't drop any of the bolts and you're supporting it. Here. That's holding the window right there. So what you do is there's 2 tabs right here and here for the motor. Just pick it up, pull it out, bring it down. All you gotta do is finagle this out of here. Be careful because you don't want to scratch the glass up. Just close. So we took the old motor out, we just fed it out this way. Be careful to not scratch the windows. I actually fucked it up and scratched it a little bit. and then you're gonna put the new motor in the same way and then tighten all the screws. And you have to, this was off a little bit, so you have to bring the motor back up to this hole so you'll be able to get that other bolt in for this. But right now I'm just tightening up all the bolts. Start the vehicle, bring the motor up a little bit. So now we rolled the window up, so we got that hole open for this final bolt. So make sure you don't drop it. All right. Now we're gonna test the window just to make sure. Trim piece back. I'll feed these back to this hole. So, and then just tack this up in the corner for now, because we're gonna have to put this back like so. Let's tack the rest of this on with this sticky shit. Now we're ready to put the panel on. Grab the panel, set it in place, try to match, get these wires through here, match it up on the handle, match this up, and then just start pushing. Make sure you're lined up in the holes, catch the top. Back on. And then Take your little trim piece, pop this back on, like so, and then this Torx bit, we go back in here. Snug that down. Then the cap. Like so. And then we're going to put the accessory panel back on. So you just take this. Big one goes here. Little one here. And just set it in its place. Pop it in. Make sure the window's still good. So that's the window motor installation for the 2013 Nissan Juke. Biggest thing is keep the window up when you're getting the motor and the assembly out so you don't scratch the window. If you have any other questions, like, subscribe, comment. Thanks.